Frozen hash browns right into your muffin tin. That's the first layer. This is the kind I'm using, country style.
Okay.
Next, you want to go in with sausages, breakfast sausages.
Nice. All right, we're starting off strong. I already love these two things.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be really good.
All right.
We're gonna smush these down because you wanna make sure you have enough room for the egg for the next step.
Okay.
So just smash it down. Spoon might work even better. And I've greased this pan with butter to start before I put the hash browns in.
Awesome.
Okay, make sure you get a deep well for these sausages, or it's not gonna fit. All right, in with our next egg. All right, then you want to go in with McCormick black pepper. Minced onion. Sprinkle of salt. And red chili flakes. All right. We're gonna suck up all this extra egg. Okay. I am sucking out all the extra egg so it doesn't burn in the oven.
Okay. And a syringe is good for that?
Yeah. That one needs to get sucked a little more.
Okay.
All right.
Nice. And just get all that extra stuff up.
Clean up the edges a bit.
Nice.
And for our final step, we're gonna go in with some medium cheddar.
Nice.
I like sharp cheddar, but the store was out, so medium cheddar it is today.
Oh, those look good.
They're gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna throw these into the oven for like 20 minutes, and when they come out, we'll show you guys how they turned out. All right, we cooked these for about 15 minutes at 335.
Ooh, those look good.
They came out amazing. All right, let's get one out.
Yeah. Oh, they smell so good.
Just gotta get under it, like a little muffin.
Oh,
There we go.
look at that thing.
Yeah, so you wanna let this cool down before you eat it?
I want to see the
I'll
inside.
give you guys a cross section.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh my goodness, that's perfect.
Got the gooey egg, the hashbrown, the sausage.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Give me the fork. I wanna try the first
You're gonna
bite.
try it?
I wanna try the
Do you want
first
some
bite.
hot sauce with it?
No. I wanna just get into this as it is. Oh my gosh.
All right, let me try. Do a pickup.
Yeah. All right.
Ready? All right, guys. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.